In this tutorial, I'll be reviewing Progressive Home Insurance. So let's get started. Progressive is a major player in the home insurance market, but is it the right choice for you? Let's break down the pros, cons, and who Progressive Home Insurance might benefit the most. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the pros, and then we're gonna make our way to the cons. So the first pro we have is competitive rates. So it is competitive rates. Now what do I mean by this? So Progressive is known for offering competitive home insurance rates, especially for car insurance bundles. This can be a major advantage, especially for budget conscious homeowners. The next one we have is variety of coverage options. So variety of coverage options. So this means that Progressive offers a variety of coverage options, allowing you to customize your policy to fit your specific needs and dwelling values. You can choose add-on coverages like flood or earthquake insurance if needed in your area. And lastly, we have online tools and user-friendly platform. So I'm just going to write user-friendly platform. Alright, so Progressive boasts a user-friendly online platform and mobile app for managing your policy, making it easier to file claims, pay bills, and updating your information. Now that is it for the pros, and we're gonna go ahead and look at the cons. So I'm gonna change the color and let's get started with the cons. Alright, so the first one we have is higher complaint rates. So higher complaint rates. So now what do I mean by this? Progressive has a higher than average complaint rate compared to some competitors, according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. This might be a concern if a smooth claims process is a priority for you. The second one we have is limited dwelling coverage in some areas. So limited dwelling coverage. Alright, so Progressive might not offer the highest dwelling coverage amounts in all areas, especially for high value homes. And lastly, we have not always the cheapest option, so it comes down to costs. So while generally competitive, Progressive's rates might not always be the absolute lowest, especially depending on your location, claims history, and dwelling value. So now, what's the verdict? Progressive Home Insurance can be a good fit for budget-conscious homeowners, particularly Progressive car insurance bundles, who can potentially leverage bundling discounts, homeowners who value a user-friendly platform for mobile app for managing their policy, and for homeowners with relatively standard coverage needs who can find a good fit within Progressive's offered options. However, if you prioritize a claims process with consistently high customer satisfaction based on complaint rate data, you own a high value home and require a very high dwelling coverage amount, or are determined to find the absolute lowest rate possible regardless of company, consider exploring other home insurance providers to compare rates, coverage options, and customer service reputation. Now here is what you should do next. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and write it down. So the first thing that you have to do is get quotes. Get quotes. So obtain quotes from Progressive and other reputable home insurance providers to compare rates, coverage details, and available discounts. The next one is consider your needs. Consider your needs. So weigh the importance of competitive rates, desired coverage options, user-friendly online tools, claims process reputation, and dwelling coverage limits. And lastly, you have to read the fine print. Read the fine print. So carefully review Progressive's policy details, including covered perils, exclusions, and claims procedure, to ensure they align with your home ownership needs and risk profile. Remember, home insurance protects your valuable assets, so take your time, research thoroughly, and ask questions to find the home insurance provider that best safeguards your home and your peace of mind. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.